Hey, what's up everyone? It's Derek from Milwaukee Drum Company. Welcome to the workshop. Today we're going to be cleaning up this 1960s Slingerland Deluxe Student Model snare drum in blue sparkle. It's actually more of a glass glitter in those days. It's pretty decent condition to begin with. It's just got it's really hard to show, some crud and dust and whatnot on it. So let's get it cleaned up. All right, that was pretty fun. Like I said, it wasn't too bad to begin with, but here's the final result. Nice and detailed now. Wraps in great shape on this one. This should have the chrome over brass hoops too that cleaned up really nicely. It's got the clear maple inside. I don't know if you can see that. Usually they have a stain, which a lot of people call the milk chocolate stain. This is actually a clear maple, which is mid-60s. And I believe the date stamp I tried to show was November of '64. So really cool deluxe student model from that year in really, really nice shape. I'll have it up for sale at some point. All right, take it easy, guys.